Hello, little friends! Today, we're going to learn the alphabet. Now, let's find the letter A. Let's find the letter A. Not here. And not here. Wow! Letter A. Here we have the letter A. Perfect. Here we have the letter A. Perfect. A is for apple. A is for ant. Now let's find letter B. Where is it? Not here. Not here. And not here. Where is it? Oh, maybe it's here. Wow! I see it. Here we have the letter B. Perfect. Let's find letter C. Not here. Not here. Oh, I think it's here. Wow! Here we have the letter C. C for car, C for cat, and for candy. Let's find the letter D. Wow! Here we have the letter D. Let's put it into the puzzle. Perfect! D is for daddy, and then let's find letter E for elephant. E for elephant. Wow! I can see it. Here we have E. Let's put it into the puzzle. Perfect. E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. Egg. Can you see the letter F? Let's find it. Wow! Here we have the letter F. Let's put it into the puzzle. Oops. F. F is for flower. F is for fish. Fish. Where is the letter G? Let's find it. Wow! Here we have the letter G. G. G is for girl. Girl. G is for goat. Goat. Now let's find the letter H. I think it's here. No. What do you think? Can you guess? This one? Let's see. No, it is number 12. I think it's here. Wow, here we have the letter H. Perfect. H is for horse. Horse. Now let's find the letter I. Where is it? Not here. Not here. Oh, here we have the letter I. I is for igloo. I is for insect. Let's find letter J. Not here. Not here. Where is it? Wow, here we have letter J. Here we have the letter J. J is for jellyfish. Let's find letter K. Where is it? Not here, not here, not here. Oh, here we have letter K. Letter K. K is for kites. Kites. Let's find the letter L. No, it is not here. And not here. I think it's here. Wow! We find that letter L. For lion. Here we have the letter L. Let's find letter M. Not here. Not here. Where is the M? Letter M. Can you see it? Oh, here. Letter M. M is for monkey. Monkey. Let's find letter N. Okay, guys. Not here. Not here. What is this? Here we have letter N. Letter N for nest. Let's put it into the puzzle. Perfect. Here we have letter N. Can you see letter O? Wow! It's here, letter O. Letter O for all. Here we have all. Where is the letter P? Not here. Not here. Which one is letter P? Can you guess? Yeah, it's letter P. Here we have letter P for penguin. Let's find letter Q. Not here. Not here. Maybe here. No. Wow, here we have letter Q. Letter Q for queen. Which one is letter R? Let's cut and see. Not here. Letter R is not here. Let's see this one. And not here. Oh, I think it's here. Yes, here we have letter R. Here we have letter R for rabbits. Okay, guys, where is the letter S? Not here. And not here. Where is it? Oh, I think it's here. Wow, here is the letter S. S is for snail. Snail. Perfect. Let's find the letter T. Where is it? Oh, I think it's here. Yes, here we have the letter T. T is for turtle. And then let's find the letter U. Where is it? Oh, maybe here. Wow, it's here. Letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Letter V. Where is it? Maybe here? No. Here. No. Where is it? Wow! Here we have the letter V. V is for vampire. Perfect! Where is the letter W? Wow, it's here. Wait. Let's find the letter X. Let's find letter X. Where is it? Here. Here we have the letter X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Where is the letter Y? What do you think? Which one is the letter Y? I think it's here. No. No. Maybe here? Yes, here we have the letter Y. Y is for yak. And then let's find the letter Z. Where is the letter Z? Let's find it. Where is it? Wow, can you see it? Yes, it's here. Letter Z. Letter Z for zebra. Let's sing a song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Bye-bye, guys.